Right then, once you start getting it turning, with this, bloody hell, being an old Vice, I'd assumed that all the parts would be Imperial, but I think the socket was about 13/16 or something like that. Luckily, I got from my dad is an Imperial adjustable spanner. So if it was metric, I'd have to nip it up that little bit tighter, but luckily, because it's Imperial, I can just get stuck in straight away. So God, yeah, it's coming, but God, I think whoever's got nuts as tight as this needs to do something about their underwear. Not yet. That was some mouth. Last time I saw a gob like that, it had a hook in it. Right. So this one comes out, and that is absolutely solid. So bring up my mate. Oh! Ugh. Oh. Right. Let's shine a light in there. Yep. That looks like the ring piece of a constipated robot. That does. Ugh. Right, I'll not worry about that for now. I'll see if I can get the big nut. Actually, we'll see if that turns now. Right, you go back there. Does this turn? Get in. Yeah, when I wire brush that down all by hand, turns out that the threads are a little bit grotty, but they're still better than I was expecting. So well, fancy that. Oh, now it's getting a bit tight. That's what I said the other night, actually. Yeah, there's my elbow playing up again. Oh, I don't think I can do it one-handed. Which is something else I said the other night. Can I get it? Hold on a minute. Let's put you down for a minute. Right, I hope everyone's taking note of my ace photography. camera work, whatever. Right. You can probably see absolutely nothing there. So, hold on. Yeah, I'm just guessing there, but that looks like that'll do it. How long is it? Which is what she said the other night. Ha! Got you. Right, I reckon if I hit that with a big hammer, it will make a loud noise. Right, put that there. So, that's ringing. Right, I'm gonna have a go at the big nut. I'm sure somebody said that the other night. Right.